You are welcome to my channel digitizing.com. Digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Now let's see and learn about Elna eXpressive 860 embroidery machine. The Elna eXpressive 860 is a versatile sewing and embroidery machine designed to meet the needs of creative enthusiasts. Combining advanced technology with ease of use, this machine delivers precision stitching, professional-grade embroidery, and a variety of features tailored for both beginners and seasoned users. Its sleek design and powerful performance make it a must-have for crafting unique projects. Key features of the Elna eXpressive 861. Large embroidery area. The machine offers a spacious embroidery area, allowing you to work on large-scale projects effortlessly. This is perfect for crafting intricate designs on quilts, garments, or home decor. 2. High-speed performance. With a maximum embroidery speed of up to 800 stitches per minute, you can complete your projects faster without compromising quality. The consistent stitching ensures professional results every time. 3. Built-in embroidery designs. The Elna eXpressive 860 includes over 200 built-in embroidery designs and multiple fonts, providing ample creative options for customizing your projects. 4. User-friendly LCD touchscreen. Its intuitive LCD touchscreen simplifies navigation through settings, stitch patterns, and embroidery designs. The screen also allows for easy editing of patterns, resizing, and rotation. 5. USB connectivity. The machine is equipped with USB ports, enabling you to import custom designs from external sources. This opens up endless possibilities for personalized projects. 6. Dual functionality. The Elna eXpressive 860 functions as both a sewing and embroidery machine. It seamlessly transitions between modes, offering versatility for all types of sewing and embellishment tasks. 7. Automatic thread cutter. The automatic thread cutter enhances convenience by trimming threads quickly, saving time and effort during intricate projects. 8. Adjustable stitch length and width. You can customize stitch settings to suit your project requirements, ensuring precision and flexibility in your creations. 9. Compact and stylish design. Despite its advanced features, the Elna eXpressive 860 is compact and lightweight, making it ideal for both home use and portable crafting setups. Pricing. The Elna eXpressive 860 embroidery machine is competitively priced, reflecting its premium features and functionality. While prices may vary by retailer, it typically ranges between $2,000 and $3,000, making it a worthwhile investment for serious crafters and professionals. If you are looking and thinking about embroidery digitizing, then digitizings.com offers the best online custom embroidery digitizing and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support at digitizings.com or visit the website digitizings.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.